Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I'm standing in front of a frame off restored 66 138 big block, black interior. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it up on the lift so you can see how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna take a look at the 396 under the hood. We'll look at the interior. We're gonna look inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Chevelle investment. So come up now and we'll fire it up. Look at this beauty, man. That paint is slick as can be. And I tell you what, the painter that did the work, beautiful job. The chrome looks good, the grille looks great, all the trim is in great shape, headlight bezels look great. Just an amazing car. The hood fits nice, that line is nice and straight. Love the big block hood. All the inserts here, they look like they're brand new. All the stainless around the windshield looks good. The chrome on the vent window looks good. The rubber on the vent window looks good. Side view mirror looks good. Looks like all these rubbers were replaced. Door handle looks good. You see how that fits nice, how that line is nice and straight. That door opens up nice and smooth. And look at this door jamb. Looks like brand new. You can see they had the latch out when they restored it. We got new rubber here. Door panel also looks new. All the chrome and all the bright work here looks good. The handles, the paint on the door looks good. Look at that steering wheel, the 4-speed shifter. We got seat belts in the front and we have seat belts in the rear. That rear seat doesn't look like it was ever set in. Headliner, man, looks like you could bounce a quarter on it. Even the dome light's working on this car. The visors look good, the rear view mirror looks great. And look at the chrome on the dash. On these cars, that's a real picky point on most of them. Normally those dashes do not look like they're brand new. You know what? This one looks like it's brand spanking new. And I love that period correct steering wheel in there too. Straight as an arrow on the paintwork. Emblem looks good, chrome on the back bumper looks good. All this aluminum work back here, it's all beautiful. The chrome on the Chevrolet looks good. That SS 396 also looks really good. Look inside there, man. Talk about custom work. What a beautiful job they did in there. You fill this baby up with coolers and lawn chairs and head out to car show. Paint on even the bottom side of the deck lid looks good. The lips look good. The gutter system here looks good. The rubber's also been replaced. When you look down the side of the car, again, straight as an arrow. Painters spent hours blocking this car to get it to look this nice and straight. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this 66, so you can bet we spent the time to check it out before we bought it. Now I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard, so what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take the Chevelle for a ride. 138 car, big block power under the hood, 4-speed between the bucket seats. She is ready to go, guys. Red, it is beautiful. And it is a beautiful day to go to the car show today. It's about 75 degrees out, nice cool breeze. Let's go show this baby off. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. So you just give Tom a call, let him know where you live, and he will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. Now we can also help you out with financing. We got about 3 different bankers we work with, make it real easy for you. About a 10 or 15 minute phone call with the banker, and we'll get this dream parked right in your driveway. Now we're right outside the Motor City. So if you'd like to come visit us and check out our inventory, especially this beauty, just call Tom, let him know you're coming. Hop in an airplane, jump in your car. If you're gonna fly out, let us know. We might even come down to the airport and pick you up. We have customers come in all the time. You can see the speedo's working here. It looks like the gauges are working. We do have an aftermarket radio, and it does have the clock down here on the center console. And of course, everybody knows what this is. That's that 4-speed. It's so much fun to shift. Now the big block under the hood is making horsepower. Them Chevrolet big blocks is what you want under the hood of one of these babies. Now it's got a fairly quiet exhaust system on it. Of course, first thing I'd probably do is put louder mufflers because I like to be obnoxious and make some noise. But this one will keep you out of trouble. She is quick as can be. I mean, I haven't even got in about half throttle on it yet, and it is fast as lightning, guys. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this beautiful car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna pop the hood, see what's going on under the hood. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision. Now here's our building at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Come on out, check us out. We'd love to show you the car. Don't forget, we're always getting new inventory in. So stick with us, we're gonna get it up on the lift for you right now. All right, we're underneath this 66 now, and man, she is pretty under here. Look at that, brand new gas tank. The trunk floor looks great. The frame is all nicely painted. The drop downs are beautiful. And again, that trunk floor is gorgeous. You can see brand new exhaust on it. And this 12 bolt we got right around the 331 gear, and it is Posi. You can see that the shocks are new, the brake lines are new, all the bushings look like they're new. Of course, the mufflers are new too. Look at that paint job on that frame. It is beautiful. Back sides of the rockers look good. The pinch welds look great. These floorboards, man, the paint job on these floorboards is beautiful. We do have the parking brake cable here hooked up. It does look like it's got a brand new brake line going front to back. It's got brand new gas line. You can see they even put the little clips on there just like from the factory. Everything about the bottom side of this car looks great. I tell you, I'd invest in some mirrors so I could show this thing off at the car show. We got our Muncie 4-speed here, stock appearing bell housing here. It does have the mechanical clutch just like it came from the factory. I see brand new bushings in the lower control arm. Looks like the backing plates on the disc brakes are brand new. Now we take the brakes apart on every car and check them out. Look at that paint job again. I can't say enough about the paint job on the frame. I'll tell you what, they did a beautiful job. I always look at the core support on all the cars. This thing looks brand new. Big old sway bar up front. Chrome on the front bumper looks great. Even on the back side, it's nice and clean. I tell you, this is one beautiful car. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here we got red lines, and they're 215 65 15s, and these chrome wheels, man, with the little Corvette center caps look great. Wheel lip moldings look like they're brand new. Rocker molding looks good, and the paint work right down to the bottom edge looks great. And I always get up in here and feel around underneath the front fender, and the pinch weld is beautiful. Let's look at the rear. Out back we got 215 65 15s too. Again, wheel lip molding looks good. The wheel well is nice and clean. They even got the bottom rocker molding down here. That pinch weld there where the quarter goes, the inner drop down there, beautiful. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, it does have a 396. This is a 66 model motor, but it is not numbers matching. It does have a Holley 4-barrel sitting on top. It does have a snowflake intake on it, a winter's intake. We've got, looks like new belts, looks like the alternator's rebuilt. It does have power brakes, and it does have power steering. Radiator also looks like a rebuilt unit. The fan shroud looks like it's brand new. Looks like it's got a brand new AC Delco battery. That firewall's nice and clean. It's even got the GM markings on the hoses. It's got all the correct clamps on it, just like it would have had from the factory. Bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. It looks like it's got brand new fiberglass under here. I tell you, one beautiful car here, guys. She's a 66, she's a Chevelle. It's a big block and a 4-speed, and it's red. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.